Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your iPhone flashes its light every time you receive a notification, even when the phone is in silent mode? While this feature can be useful in certain situations, it can also be annoying when you want complete peace. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off flash alerts when your iPhone is in silent mode quickly and easily. Ready? Let's solve this problem. So, first, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're there, scroll down a bit, find the Accessibility option, and tap on it to open. Next, move down to the Hearing section and find the Audio and Visual option. When you locate it, tap on it. On the Audio and Visual page, you'll see several options. Now, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the LED Flash for Alerts option. Tap on it to open additional settings. Finally, find the Flash in Silent Mode option and tap the switch next to it to turn it off. Once you disable this option, your iPhone will no longer use the flash as a notification when in silent mode. Now, you can be sure that unexpected light signals won't disturb you in situations where you want complete silence. If you ever want to turn this feature back on, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.